Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal money as friends and family. This convenient feature is perfect for personal transfers to people you know and trust, like family members or close friends. When you use your linked bank account or PayPal balance, you can often send money without incurring any fees. It's a fantastic way to send a birthday gift, split a dinner bill, or contribute to a shared expense, making your financial interactions smoother and more personal. To get started, simply log into your PayPal account. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request option, which is typically easy to find. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details, such as their email address or phone number. Double-check that you have the correct information to avoid any mix-ups. The crucial step here is to select the Friends and Family option when PayPal asks you to specify the payment type. This ensures your payment is processed correctly. It's really important to understand that friends and family payments are meant for personal transfers only. They do not come with PayPal's purchase protection, so if you're buying an item, always use the Goods and Services option. Also, while many domestic friends and family payments are free, you might encounter a small fee if you're sending money across borders, or if you choose to fund the payment using a credit card. Always review the details before confirming. Before you hit send, take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details. Make sure the recipient's name, the amount you're sending, and your chosen funding source are all correct. Once you're confident everything looks right, simply click the Send Payment Now or Confirm button to complete your transfer. You can always check the status of your payment in your PayPal activity feed, where it will show as completed once it has been successfully processed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.